morning students. In the last class we started a new chapter, that is reproduction in animals, and we learned about reproduction, and there are two types of ways in which animals reproduce. They are some animals reproduce by giving birth to babies or the young ones, for example cats, dogs, etc. And some animals, and the type part 2 is that some animals lay eggs and hatch eggs and then their babies come out of the eggs. So today we are going to start with the topic with animals that lay eggs. And first of all we are going to start with birds. We know that birds also lay eggs and then they hatch their babies from them. So first of all, open your books on page number 39. So here we are on page number 39, animals that lay eggs, birds. So I will read and then you have to read after me or repeat after me. Female birds lay eggs in their nests. Female birds lay eggs in their nests. We learnt it in class 3rd that female birds lay eggs in their nests. They build their nests by using different materials such as twigs, piece of old cloth, grass and leaves. So we know that when we look at a nest, we see that nest is made up of different types of things, different materials like twigs, piece of cloth or grass and leaves. One of the parent birds sits on the egg for some days to keep them warm. This process is called incubation. So when they have laid their eggs, when there are eggs in the nest, one of the parent bird, they sit on the eggs so that they are warm. To keep them warm, they sit on the eggs, and this process is known as incubation. It is known as incubation. You have to underline this line that one of the parent birds sits on the eggs for some days to keep them warm, and this process is called incubation. So what we have learned so far is, in the animals that lay eggs, we are starting with birds, and female birds lay eggs in their nests. We already know this. And nests are made up of different materials, different things like twigs, pieces of cloth, grass and leaves. And one of the parent birds sits on the egg to keep them warm. This process is known as incubation. This process is known as incubation. It is very, very important. Now we will learn about the egg of a bird. So let's come to the second paragraph and let's read it. The hard outer shell protects the egg. So the hard outer shell of an egg, it protects the egg. This part, this outer lining, it is the shell. It is hard and it protects the egg. The yellow part present in the center of the egg is called the yolk. So this part that is yellow in color, which is at the center of the egg, is known as yolk. It contains a bright white spot that develops into the baby. So there is a spot in the yolk, as we can see, it develops into the baby. And a developing baby, this baby as it is developing, it is known as embryo. And the embryo gets its food from the yolk. The white part of the egg called albumen surrounds the yolk. The white part, that is this part that surrounds the yolk, is known as albumen. The albumen protects the embryo from shocks and jerks, and it provides water to the embryo. So embryo gets its food from the yolk and water from the albumen. So what we have learned is that the harder outer shell of egg, it protects the egg. The yellow part that is in the center of the egg is known as yolk. And there is a bright white spot at the in between of the yolk. It contains the baby, and a growing baby is known as embryo. The embryo gets its food from the yolk. The white part that surrounds the yolk is known as albumen, and albumen protects the embryo from shocks and jerks and provides water to the embryo. Now we will learn about hatching and how the babies come out. So the embryo goes through various stages. When chick is fully developed, it breaks the eggshell and comes out of the egg. So when the chick in the egg has fully developed, when the embryo has fully developed, the chick or that is the baby of the bird, it breaks the eggshell and then it comes out of the egg. This process is called hatching. We have to underline all these 3 lines that the embryo goes through various stages. And when the chick is fully developed, it breaks the eggshell and comes out of the egg. So, what is hatching? Hatching is when the chick is fully developed, it breaks the egg and comes out of it. The parent birds feed their babies till they are strong enough to look after themselves. So the parent birds give food to their babies or feed their babies till they are strong enough to take care of themselves. Now that is all for today. You all have to revise what we have done so far and turn to page number 40, and this is your homework for today. Track your process. You have to revise the chapter that we have done, the 2 pages that are page number 38 and 39, and then you have to fill out these blanks and you have to do the other homework in copy. Thank you and have a nice day.